Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, come back to my channel, and today we will make a CRUD. What is CRUD? CRUD is create. Uh, what is it again? I forgot it. Okay. The CRUD is what is CRUD? CRUD is four basic function that models will be able to do at most is create, read, update, and delete. So CRUD is showing our database, create a database, read a database, upload a database, and delete a database. So how it is going? Let's come to the second. Okay, but first we make a new database. We'll click this. We're doing making database. The name is academic. I have prepared. Okay, and create. Using the academy. Why I can't using, or because this is using before. Academy. Okay, done. We create. Okay. We're using student with 5 columns for name. Wait. Okay, wait. What is English of name? ID student. Oh yes, ID student. Okay. 4-5 create. In the dash we go to for ID. ID is just ID. This is for integer, the type of integer, and this auto increment. So wherever this data add, this is auto increase, like that. So okay, the second one is that I forgot it. Student ID. Student ID. We're going to further. The length is 25, and this is for the name. This is further 2, and this is 25 for the length. Okay, I forgot. This is for the code of this index. This is square unique key. This is just go. Okay, this is for address, and this is for major. All is further except this one. This is 25. Okay, done. There's nothing wrong. Okay, we can save it. Okay. After this, after this, what and then I think there's nothing wrong again. Okay, the next we're going to open the VS Code, and this is going to make a new file to put in. Save. We're going to save in the local disk smpp in heterodox. Just going to save here. Yes, in the heterodox, right? And going to make a new folder, academy database. Okay, not waiting too long, we're going to add this is with index, that's php, like this. Okay, we're going to save. Right. Okay, for the connection, making for connection, we're going to be hey, I forgot. PHP. And then next we're going to make a variable with the name of the first is for the host or server, we're going to using localhost. Localhost and this point and tick counts. Okay, for the flow is going to make a user. This is user. I'm going root young. And for password, because we're using SMPP, maybe it's gonna be wait a minute, guys. I'm sorry, I think I forgot to resume my video vlog, my video, yes, but I will take a responsibility. I will explain part by part. So I'm sorry, I closed the door. Okay, the first is I add a user with the tag root, and password we blank it because we're using XMPP. And for DB is for database. The database is what we create before. I create academy data yes tables with the data tables, and we using this is connect for variable, connect the variable. This seems like Java, yes, it's like Java, but it is in PHP. I added mysql I connect host user press db and if for connect, and if they cannot connect to database, and okay, for that I will tutorial it. Okay, as you can see, I coding it all by myself. Okay, and this is else or echo if connect and not connect. I can see in here connecting connector. Maybe I will using English. Success connect. Fail to connect. Okay, success connect. Okay, you guys, now we are written my text channel. Alright. The next is as you can see before, I added this tag HTML. I will change the title first. Database. Databases. Alright, and this is a doc type using doc type for ECS. After we change the title, we add a link for Bootstrap. Why we using Bootstrap? Because this is framework and this is make easier for using while coding. Bootstrap is good option. Oh yeah, maybe this is video make a long time or this long duration. So like always, I say, prepare your coffee. Okay. In the bottom this, we're gonna add link style. Okay. We go back to this and Bootstrap. Alhamdulillah. This we'll copy this and add in here, like here, prepare, and we're gonna set CRUD. We're using CRUD because we use we're gonna get the where's maybe this gonna be perfect. Alright, okay, so I forgot to one thing. We're gonna make div class with name because we add this. Gonna make div class with the name mx auto. Okay, here, and in center of this, after we spacing in the between this we spacing with using enter and make this blank skin. Gonna search card for fill the blank. Gonna using this maybe. Alright, copy and put in here card member. Okay, gonna check for this. Gonna block in the card section in here. Yes, in here maybe. Gonna comment what's the name format document shift ltf hey, wrong hey, where's shift ltf there's no format in the format. We'll install this first maybe. Okay. CRUD account. Alright. Okay. This is for the CPU. Good. Okay. We playing this game. Well, before this feature, we're gonna change the text. We're going to create our edit data. Okay, we're gonna save it. Ctrl+ice from the card body. In here, we're gonna delete it. Gonna fill this with gonna form. Action gonna method. We got this boss. Alright, in this gonna enter in this form between form. We're gonna make several column for the data input. Okay. We copy this in the from what is new? Gonna copy this. Copy. And here, I'm gonna put in here. Okay, for the top. In the bottom, the top section is to be used as a place to enter data we give, and before that we gonna make a name, make a comment for input data. Don't forget it. This comment help us to not forgetting this function. Not function Java. Output data. Okay. And this create and edit data, we're gonna change it from. We replace it with student data base, student data, student or student data, data student database student. Alright. Maybe this is enough. Gonna make it capital. Making pretty. Okay, we're gonna save it, and for the term in the form we're gonna delete it, and then we check again return the Visual Studio Code section in here, like this. Okay. I forgot to change this. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be like this for the output. After this, we're gonna, in the section of bottom, there is writing, which is database student. At the bottom, we give it a style, divided by u. We give it style. Let's start with the. I'm gonna style it. Sorry. And we give the background maybe gray is gonna good. Okay, we're gonna get in from Bootstrap. Why are you using this? Okay, this is recording, right? Okay, we're gonna get some data, or we're selling it for sure. I forget it. Okay, yeah, forget. We're gonna we're gonna move it to the mid, all this table, so this is gonna in the mid. Like I can describe this in right here for the database or input, and width we make it, for example, 800 pixel. Cut back to the Visual Studio Code. Not this. Okay, in the card header we're gonna add some what the text white, and gonna add case background or this is right. Gonna check the Bootstrap. Text white, or add axis. Right. Okay, this is correct. As you can see, if you want to see the documentary, you can go to the Bootstrap and see all in here. You can search anything you need, like data I need big gates is for background, secondary. This is, as you can see, by using secondary, this is bigger. This is the color we use. Same, right? This. Yeah, this is again secondary. Okay, then go back to the wait in here. Oh my god, gonna style in first. We add one more style. In the header we're gonna style in here we're gonna add a class that we're gonna edit. And we add the width for example, we're gonna add the egg. Gonna add 800 pixel. Let's see, is it work? Like we're wrong data that we input. Okay, that's fine. Like, gonna change this to mx. I correct before, but Fuilah, alhamdulillah. Like, this is going heading to the middle. Okay, next we are also in the card section, so there's gap between one word and another. In here we're gonna add a gap. Okay, after this we're gonna make as I said before, I will make this gap between this card. Okay, card this margin top. Maybe 10 pixel gonna correct. Okay. Wait. Again, this distance from gap between the top and bottom. Top from here and here, there's gap. So next we will enter the form section. We will enter several fields then. Okay. In the browser we're gonna search what form form control like this. So later on the left side we will the name of the label, then on the right side gonna contain the name of this entry. Okay, we're gonna block this. Gonna pick up this gonna copy. Did I block everything? Okay, I just gonna break this thing, not the password, because we don't need it for now. Gonna copy and add it in the form. Where's the okay, yeah. Table 4 we're gonna get the for but this before why get the name is so hard. Little disappointment. Student ID. Okay, student ID for the table 4. Gonna email, gonna get student ID. At the bottom, we change here to the input text is correct. For the read only, we're gonna delete it. And ID, you're gonna same as the top static student ID. And after this, the value gonna change the no, gonna use PHP. Okay. PHP echo I think I forgot to I can rename it, right? Okay. Change. I correct. I just wrong. Save. Like in here. The problem is in here. Suddenly I remember. Next we're gonna close it, right? Okay, after this we're gonna block this and duplicate. In here, we're gonna change to name, like in here. After the student ID, gonna get name. Right? There's no wrong again. I hope so. Okay. Don't forget to add name for in here. Is student ID. Right? After I do, right? Okay, this name again. Name. Right. There's no problem with that. Okay. Yeah. We scroll to the bottom. gonna block this again. You're gonna duplicate it again, right? Okay, we have add the student ID, name, and the address, right? Next, for the rest, we're gonna add the major. Gonna duplicate them again. The major. Hope so, hope so. Okay, for this type, we're gonna change it for the major. In the here, we're gonna block because we're gonna change it to the button or select this, select it, get the class is font control, and the ID gonna get the major. Okay, gonna this enter. Gonna fill this. Right, in this gonna be option. What's different about these two? Maybe that's it. All right. In this between option, we're gonna fill the select your major. Okay. Okay, for the two, gonna block this and copy. For the option two, they're gonna make the option programmer. For the first major, this is gonna be engineer. Gonna say designer. Okay, in the bottom of this, we're gonna add PHP like echo, and blah blah blah, using wait, this is after one. Okay, in here PHP, right? If what major major don't forget the close. We add the echo in here. Echo. So like that. So when someone goes to input data, select data, and the major content sense and the major content programmer, engineer, or designer. For example, he will immediately automatically make a selection to the option in the programmer section. If in this when someone click this and choose the programmer, it's with showing the programmer class, programmer major. After this, gonna copy this. You will know it's so much time, and copy in here. Right, but maybe the just select the oh, I forgot this. Let's for the I'm gonna get the programmer. We copy this, copy and replace it in here. Replace. A programmer gonna change to engineer. Okay, gonna save. Go back to here and refresh. Okay. Let's try. So the result is from the student ID, name, address, and major. This is not complete yet, and you can pay attention. But you can see there's something like warning on in here, like in tool as a designer, because I didn't add something. Add like that. Okay. Because this is not complete yet. And we're gonna add in our script. Later we and here the thumb button that we will use. Yes, we're gonna back to the Visual Studio Code and just select in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A bit in this form. Gonna give the button. Gonna enter. And bit and then enter. And put type. Gonna save. Okay, for the value, sim save data. Then we give the class input type. We use can I use class in the bootstrap it? Okay, we got the making button. We're gonna scroll to upside. Okay, add the variable so it doesn't display an error like this. Okay, in the bottom of this, we're gonna get student ID. Add this for blank. Leave this blank. And here we're gonna get name too. Why I doing this? Because this is for the pretty of the R code. And after name, gonna add the address. Okay, like here, right? After the address, gonna take the measure. The address, yes, measure. Why? Like here, but it's not complete yet. This is still far. It's already something like this message, but there is log. Going back to our speed to the code. As you can see in here, we add the plain text. We remove the plain text. Okay, so we remove all plain text. Right, let's check. Let's here like this. This is something like the real data. So we can create what is name create data. Before that, let's see, choose myself. I want to pray. Alright guys, I come back, and the next we're gonna make a okay. The next we're gonna make a process to make create data. We entering the CRUD section. Come back to the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Okay, so then in here, gonna data entry. In this major, gonna enter 2 times, 1, 2. In here, we're gonna add the if, like a plus the open and close. In here, we're gonna get the is set. Okay, set right. Undercross pause here and submit. Don't worry, guys. Make sure you're focusing on your code. This will use it to be enter data. Okay, make the cap, fill the bracket. It can make a new variable. Student ID. Can make a underscore pass and cut. Okay, student here. We pick up from the ID with name before. This is student ID. The name is student ID 2. Okay, we add this from this student ID. So the name in here is student ID. It will catch to our PHP resort PHP here, and we'll save in here. After that, we're going to duplicate and okay, at the what this next is name right here, right, and could duplicate like always, address, and the next is tutorial. Don't block, I'll just block the name this tutorial D to make us easy the changes. What is this name? Oh yeah, meter here like this. There's a student ID, name, address, and the major. We will continue. The next is namely the after the major there's a student ID name Anderson Major. After this, gonna make sure the check when it's entered, we make sure that the variables have content. We enter it with if like always in here. Alright. Add student ID and name and address and then and done. The last one is for major, like here. Alright, so it will this sign is like to make sure that the operation in it here will be executed when the name has content name. Like in this student ID, in this name, in the address, it will execute in this column. Yes, from that we form here or in the data we enter. Make sure SQL1 it using query we're gonna insert into the name is what this name. Wait, guys, we can't say this. Students, right? It's a to student, right? You can make the in column student ID name address and major, right? The ID we don't need to input it in the database. We have an ID within auto increment. Alright, this gonna be values. After each values values is for what the okay, that is from our before variable before is from student ID. Name address and major. after this, here, so it will run again. Then we enter the here to make a new variable with the name q1, something like this. Gonna enter equal with the mysql underscore query, like here. In the index, you're gonna insert the connect here, comma, and SQL1 or SQL1 A1. Okay, then we close it with go enter. That you enter given which is unconditional for if the correction success, gonna get success, give a message to success. Forgetting I. So it's one con. Keep focusing on your code, bro, because it can go wrong anytime. Gonna make if, and I was gonna get q1 in here. I'm forgetting this part, q1, then add here is set, yeah, okay, new variable with success equal string success input new data, like this. It's capital. Alright, close. If fail, we can add message to button this else gonna set here. Okay, set error equal error fail to input new data because what? I don't know. Ask him. That's Joe. You Shamama. Right. After this, the next. We're going to okay, like this. Next time we are try to output the data, so make sure that when create the success and error variable, it will display error or success in the form that we had earlier. We scroll down to the this is the data div CRUD body. In here you're gonna get answer. Gonna search and bootstrap to styling. Gonna search alert. Gonna next simple alert maybe. let's danger here. Let me see. Control T. See, begin here. Hey, wait a minute. Alright. Before that, we add the PHP first. If if in here variable error there are error, then we issue right. Right in here. Between this, we're gonna add the before the earlier we copied in here. Don't forget to format the command to make a beautiful code. And for the simple danger, we change with PHP echo. Okay, it will showing the error if this using this. Okay. After we add the what's name error form, we're gonna block it and make the new again for the success form. Yeah, we're going to okay. So success, right? And for the alert danger, we're gonna change it to success. Okay, or on the web and refresh. Okay, like always, there are missing like undefined variable success or error in SMVP. It's okay, don't be panic. Like always, we add if you know, we edit in here. Where is this? Where's the oh, here. I need to make it to I can't. This is correct, right? Okay, we'll add the error and success variable. And the first is error. No matter what is first. Success equal okay. Hey, copy and this here we paste. Okay, looks beautiful, right? Okay, can we come back to the database and refresh like this. Okay, this has fixed now. It doesn't display error again. Now it's like checking this. Actually, this will display an error because we had data first. Let's see what's the problem. Like I said before, this is showing a data, showing alert like warning, danger. Can scroll in here. Oh, we not it. Okay, if else we gonna add error again in here. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to add the error. And equals likewise. Make sure that the data we input there make sure that input entrant contains name or what's his name, student ID, name, address, and major. Make sure that the data we input contains that. Okay. If for example there's no such fields and there's something blank, there's something not added in this 1 2 3 4, so this will showing danger alert. Then we give please input all the data first. Okay, save. Can I save data? Confirm the continue. So this is not showing again. You can check the Visual Studio Code. There's no something this wrong. The button is gonna just save. Found the problem. We think this is submit. Talk earlier we defined it as save. So if I change this, I hope this gonna be changed. Alright. Right. Okay, this is showing, so it's defined that we have solved the problem, but there's one problem waiting us again. There's a warning of the fed array k manager in XMPP blah 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 in line 23. Gonna set in line 23 is this major. This post major. Scroll to the bottom. We know the add name first. Major. Gonna save it and take it here. Refresh. Continue. There's nothing again. Okay, problem solved. The student ID, we're gonna input the data. Okay, for the name, the student ID may be 2023 2020 122. For the name, then address is Depok, and for a major I'm gonna be a programmer. Can I set data? Hey. What's wrong again with this major? If major programmer, yes, right? Can I echo? Okay, so correct. Why is not showing again? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 programmer. Something wrong, but I can't tell you. Let's select that. That is so wrong. Why is not showing us the success? Right guys, gonna pause again. Okay guys, so I know the problem is. Are you want to know where's the problem? Okay, we can undo. Okay, undo. As you can see, okay, there's no problem. That's all. Right in here, if you know, I haven't filled this value with first the major name programmer, and this is there a space between there, so there's no space. Okay, we check programmer. Yes, please input the data first, right? If you use programmer, line 27. First and this is designer. Okay, this is engineer, and I forgot to copy here. Can I copy title here? Copy and put in her. Huh? Why is wrong? I don't know why. Why I still undo, yes, to showing you guys. Select the echo. Where am I? Listen. Okay, we return here. We copy this. Hope there's no problem again. As you can hear, the time is n was n. Right? Okay, time is gonna get to pray. Okay, return. And that is not azan, I forgot. This is for reminder. The time for azan is gone. Yes, like as I say before, This is for the major. Have the input their space between if and the major, and I hadn't input the value, as you can see. But for the student ID, I just remember this cannot same for the other like this. If the connect in here, we cannot edit anymore, so we get new more 2000134 in the engineer with the name Abdul what's Abdur in place gonna be Bandung, right? Engineer set data. Success to input data. Alhamdulillah, there's no problem anymore because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us, right? Then make sure that the data entered into the PHP admin. We can PHP admin. Bruce. Okay. This. Okay. If we delete it, we can delete, right? This is just for example as we have now, so we can insert it any again. Then the block, right? And in here, can I refresh? This is this name then address Depok programmer. Let's say. Okay. If we try to input it again, there's error, right? Like this, because we have to input the data. Okay. Yeah, error because we didn't put the data, failed to input the data. Right. The important success to input data has created, but it hasn't okay. But we haven't input what is showing the data, what have we input. Okay, the process right data, we can make the input. We finally come to the read section. Open this Visual Studio Code or Studio Code. We're going to the card where we will take out our data. And here, database student. We prepare shell. Can I use double? Yes. this class using each time we are using bootstrap and self from bootstrap the class and the first gonna be t-head or t-head enter, gonna check her and put the t-head for the column. And next you're gonna get next scope, call first, gonna enter the number part, duplicate after the next number sequence we enter it, which says the student number, student ID, we copy over again, and for the name address, okay, major, I still I'm going this to put it here. Right in here. This skill 1, right? Connect. I think there's nothing wrong. And okay, this is gonna add the one more action. For like action, let's tweet somehow. Not action. Right. Maybe I should pause in here and continue after I pray. Yeah. Right, we can where we are. After pray. I think the data student we have add the listening the card from the that we have prepared before, using the style from bootstrap. Next we're going to add in bottom of gr is t-body, we're going in the field the t-body, we're going to take out our data earlier using PHP in the closing of PHP here. Here we're using to SQL 2 for the variable, and then using this becomes connect. We will display the data in order of ID. Okay. The last one we will display at the top, order by ID. This class here, class it in Q1. Equals mysql I connect. Connect, comma, scale to that this is from Q1 to Q2. Just make erasure. Q2. Well, part 2 equals mysql underscore fetch array here Q2 then inside is gonna add several column. For the first is D we get from R2 and the student ID get from the first equal, get from 2 and likewise this is student ID. We delete this. Maybe just copy in here. Hey, wait. Press right and hey, wait a minute. After the name, I almost forgot. Address, and after address you can get the major. Okay, major address name, student ID. Right. Correct that for good to be looking right here, like pretty cool, right? Okay, I take it from the row if it didn't. Make a line with using gr. th. This is the first one as sequence. Yes, then we enter th for scope equals row, right? Good. Can you PHP echo this is row. After this echo okay, CRUD plus echo class, right? Well, as R2 blah 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 blah. Guess closer. Forget to add the h1. This is plus. Still right, huh? Where's the problem? there's problem. Okay, how is this? You gotta add one again variable. Okay, it start from 1. Okay, this is how to increment. Next connectivity. Okay, connectivity, control, the scope, equal row this for student ID. Yes. PHP echo student ID. Okay, and the classing for the PHP, we're gonna to plug this and copy this several times. Change this. You don't need to fill this first. Okay. Here for this is after the name. This is for errors and after errors can I get the measure for the less. Then we have prepare one button in here. We made it with the and with the scope. Actually it is still a row. Okay, there's message in here, fatal error, incorrect error, missingly, blah 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 blah. This kind of string. Okay, for I think this mysql be connect with query. Okay, start and blah blah blah. Okay, there's no database. Okay, we first add one 21132 211.134 with the name Sen, get from Jakarta. It is not showing, right? Why is not showing? Right. Yes, something wrong to D7. So I have from the problem. The problem is I haven't added this in my row. I haven't added this in my row too. Maybe if there's no space, gonna be good. This. Okay. So I forgot, guys. I'm sorry, really sorry. Okay, for that, and to restart, to delete, this is R, the delete, yes. So there's no database anymore. You can closing here. Okay, guys, programmer, go to okay, then Bandung save data. Alright then, I got you then. Like this is the problem. So I've been thinking why it didn't find it, so I didn't focus right. Okay, this is gonna be good. The next gonna be excited boy. And I forgot to add the button in here. Gonna set button. Button. Gonna danger warning. Okay, we'll use danger warning. CLG. Come back to our VS Code. TV. the what is his name, section. I'm gonna change speed. Okay, like this. Go back to this. From I forgot to get change. Run. Okay. This gonna make one to. It's not finished yet. Ref. Copy. Edit. And don't forget to add the ID. Okay. After equal, get the PHP, and don't forget for the class. Alright, here. Echo ID. Okay, we cut this and put in the between a. Okay, okay. Select the better. Oh yeah, this. Oh, right here. Okay, this changing right now. And we add one more. Too much. Just gonna get it here. After he said, gonna add one more if YKPP is set. Underscore get copy okay, after this gonna get the and making up a variable okay, and then dollar or first scan underscore get here get op2, don't forget to close, and for else is here. Okay, for the edit, and if okay, I forgot if okay gonna be equals to and student edit, it will showing here. Okay, ID that we come from get from get this wordplay get subject with get ID and let's forget to close that's why gonna be right. Okay, skill 1 can add a string, select from student where ID equals to ID then we close usually and with key1 $key1 and equals mysql by underscore query like here. This for connect comma SQL SQL1 and then what we said R1 I forget to get $R1 and this variable again make a mysql fetch array q1 don't forget to close brace that we gonna get out what this the first is student ID that we can from R1 close. That's okay, go down. Can again. This is for name. Address. And major right. Okay, the usually gonna be for the beautiful of our coding here. Tap 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 tap. Hey, this is too much. Okay. Okay, that's correct. I enjoy doing this actually. This is just for satisfying, right? And next, can I get the message if they're not data? If student ID equals to that. Gonna be data not found. This is showing the data in here. Okay, if you follow this, run some bundle with safe programmer. That's not fun. Okay. Yes, there's something can I do? Okay. Can I read the class update? Right. After that, we can we're moving into here. Right in here. Okay. Right measure. If can be sub op equal to edit. Don't forget to integral. And this is SQL 1 equal update student set up student update, right? Update student set. Hey, I have recorded it. Alright, let's record. Update student set name. We're missing There's nothing. Okay, equals student ID. Maybe this is okay. After this comma, equal, and pick from like usually pick from name. Did I forget to add this? Not this. This and this. Alright. Right. There's now two.